It is obvious that the terrains are not always tarmac and green and pollution free, so there's a lot of dust that settles down on the riding gear. But what I would ideally do is once a fortnight, depending on how dirty or clean the gear is, it goes in for a wash. Now I know people who have traveled with me, they've not washed their gears. It's like a blessing is what I was told, that like there's so much of blessings on the gear that dust settles in, and more the dirty the better it looks, or whatever. Let me not go there, but I for one, I need it clean. So depending on how dirty the gear gets, it definitely gets into a wash at the earliest possible instance, either in a friend's place where they have a dryer, a washer and a dryer, or in a hotel when we check in, or worst case scenario in a river, like just dip. Do that. It helps you. Trust me. Cleanliness is something that you really need to focus on. The bike, the gear, your helmet and your gloves, and of course your undergarments. Very important. Don't lose sight of them. You hang it. If somebody takes it, then God save you.